Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have three internship opportunities and let's see it one by one. The first internship opportunity is from Shell and it is a Shell Assessed Internship Program 2025. And the job locations are Bangalore, Chennai, Gurugram, Maharashtra and Mumbai. This is typically a 10 to 12 week in your chosen business area and you will get a real project with a significant level of the business impact and you will be discovering which skill you will need to develop through a constructive feedback and you will be developing valuable network and contract from the future career opportunities. And let's see the eligibility criteria. You should be pursuing a bachelor's or master's or PhD that is either relevant and you should be from a previously year of study and you should have a effective communication and presentation skill and you should be an Indian citizen or a permanent resident. The second internship opportunity is from BCG and it is a intern tech contractual role and the job location is New Delhi. Now, let's see what they are expecting. You should be self motivated and reliable, stakeholder and client management, and you should have interpersonal communication, email skill, and you should be organized, detail oriented, and analytical. You should strong eye for the digital design and high level of initiative and resourcefulness. And you should be collaborative, positive team player with the ability to navigate diverse team across the different geographies. And the technical attributes required for this role is QA automation testing, HTML, and CSS. The experience and qualification required for this role is you should be from BS or BA in computer science or business information technology and preferably a rising junior or senior with a strong academic performance. You should be willing and ready to upskill quickly in Java with Selenium and testing and Cucumber framework. Git, MAM and Tune will be a plus. You should have a prior work or internship experience. No website development experience is required, but design or blog creation experience along with the understanding of digital marketing is a plus. And you should have the experience with Sitecore CMS tool a plus and proficient in MS Office tool. You should be able to perform successfully in a fast-paced, intellectually intense, service-oriented environment in line with BCG's code of conduct. And the final internship opportunity is from Vedantu and it is an intern from financial analyst. The job location is Bengaluru and the key responsibilities for this role is you should have a good hands-on experience in Excel or G Sheets and you should have the fintech cases tracking which also include the coordination with fintech partner and Vedantu offline center team. You should be talking to the center teams and track fintech cases and work on reconciliation activity which might include account receivables, refund reconciliation, and etc. The internship tenure is 3 months internship that will be extended based on the performance. And the work mode is 5 days from office and Saturday Sunday from home based on requirement. The stipend for this role is 20 to 30,000 per month. We will provide you the apply link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends.